What is going on today, guys? We are back again with another tech video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the Elgato chat link and the buzzing sound that you can sometimes get, the constant buzzing. We're not going to be talking about, like, when things are moving around and that sound, because unfortunately I haven't figured out how to deal with that other than to, not play with the chords too much. So we actually have two workaround situations, and two are completely different. So what the one may fix your situation. If it doesn't, then try the second. If you go ahead and you have the Elgato chat link, we're not talking about the Elgato chat link Pro because it actually has this next piece that we're going to be talking about kind of built into the cord already. But the Elgato chat link is basically a Y splitter. It connects from your controller and then goes up into a Y splitter and then connects into your headset that you're using and then into your capture card. Sometimes you get what is called a ground loop, and that can be caused by different things, but basically this little cord here should deal with that. It plugs in and then it brings a signal down and then basically wraps it around like a cylinder, I guess you can say, and then out. And that can actually help with ground loops. These are actually made for like cars and home stereo systems and stuff like that. So that may help your situation if you're dealing with that. Now the next thing is, if you're like me, you've bought these cords, and it's not helping, then the last kind of workaround situation that we can give you, and this is what it brought our capture card to be zero buzzing. It actually helped out a ton. And now what you can actually do is you can go ahead and in that long end of your chat link that normally plugs into your capture card, sometimes capture cards collect dust inside, sometimes it's getting older, sometimes there might be a faulty thing inside. There could be some issue with your capture card itself. And when that is the case, there's going to be no way that you can fix it other than buying a new capture card or this workaround situation. You can take the long end that would normally plug into your capture card and you can plug it into the back of your computer. Now when you get the pop-up on your screen that asks if it's a mic, if it's a headset, or if it's a line in audio device, hit line in. When you do that and you plug it in, as long as if your Xbox or PS4 or PS5 is set up to the correct settings, meaning that both the sound and your chat, so you need your in-game sound and your chat sound to be coming through your headset. When that's the case, then you'll get everything on your OBS without any issues. Now again, you'll have to switch up and change, your source in OBS to be this line in audio source. But once you do that, you'll have no issues whatsoever. Now there is one small problem, a little disclaimer with this, guys, is when you do that, you're gonna have to go into the game and adjust people's microphones. You might have to ask your friends to lower their mic a little bit or raise their mic a little bit because or raise up your game sound or lower your game sound and stuff like that to kind of equalize, to kind of level everything out. But once you do that, you shouldn't have any more issues of the buzzing and the humming sounds that you can sometimes get from these cords from the chat links. So guys, without any further ado, that will actually conclude the video. So again, the two workarounds, you can go ahead and purchase one of these, which is a ground loop isolator. You can find them really cheap on Amazon, or you can actually plug, instead of plugging your chat link into your capture card, you can plug it just into a line in on the back of your PC. Now guys, that will conclude it. Until next time, we'll talk to you later. Peace.